Today, I would like to explain the relation between phase velocity and group velocity. Relation between group velocity and phase velocity. Phase velocity Vp is equal to omega by k, or it can be written as Vp is equal to 1 by k into omega. That is omega by k can be written as 1 by k into omega. I am going to call that equation as 1. Next, the group velocity Vg is equal to d omega by dk. I called that equation as 2. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to k. Then we have, that is dVp by dk is equal to 1 by k d omega by dk plus omega into minus 1 by k square. That is dVp by dk is equal to 1 by k d omega by dk plus omega into minus 1 by k square, or dVp by dk is equal to 1 by k into d omega by dk minus omega by k, or k into dVp by dk is equal to d omega by dk minus omega by k, or just d omega by dk is equal to omega by k plus k into dVp by dk. I am going to call that equation as number 3. Now we have, and also we have, k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. I am going to call that one as equation 4. dk by d lambda is equal to minus 2 pi by lambda square, or d lambda by dk is equal to minus lambda square by 2 pi. I call that one as equation 5. Now substitute phase velocity and group velocity values in equation 3, that is in this equation. In place of d omega by dk, I will write Vg is equal to omega by k. In place of omega by k, I will write Vp plus k into dVp by dk. Next, I am going to multiply and divide by d lambda. Then Vg is equal to Vp plus k into dVp by dk into d lambda by d lambda. That means I am going to multiply and divide by d lambda, or Vg is equal to Vp plus k into dVp by d lambda into d lambda by d lambda by dk. Substitute the values of k and d lambda by dk from equation 4 and 5 in above equation. That is, I am going to substitute k and d lambda by dk values from equation 4 and 5. in above equation, we have Vg is equal to Vp plus, in place of k, I am going to substitute 2 pi by lambda into dVp by d lambda into d lambda by dk. From equation 5, it is minus lambda square by 2 pi. I substituted here. That means Vg is equal to Vp plus 2 pi pi lambda into dVp by d lambda into minus lambda square divided by 2 pi. After simplification, just it is Vg is equal to Vp minus, here 2 pi will get cancelled, lambda. Next, Vg is equal to Vp minus lambda into dVp by d lambda, or Vg minus Vp is equal to minus lambda into dVp by d lambda. This represents, that is, this equation represents the relation between phase velocity and group velocity. dVp by d lambda is equal to 0 for non-dispersive medium. Therefore, Vg is equal, we get Vg is equal to Vp. Sorry. That is, group velocity and phase velocities are equal for non-dispersive medium. Thank you.